Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more options we can manage, and one of these buttons is the straight and here, so this is our leveler. By tapping on this we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works, so the blue color suggests that this is turned on, and as you can see in the camera preview here we have this line. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture, and as you can see this is how it works. And of course when you don't need this you can easily turn this off by going again to the settings in the right corner, tapping on this button, and for now this leveler has gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.